Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I finally got the Model F. Yes, it is true. You guys probably thought I was gonna keep using this keyboard for about eternity because, well, I never got a new keyboard. But now is the actual day. I got an original IBM 5150 Model F. And I'm actually here collaborating with Windows 2001. I talked about him in a different video, actually about all my vintage PCs. And he actually doesn't live too far away, so we decided to do a collaboration of a video, right?
Yep. So here's the Model F. He got his in a good condition, right?
I got in...
Except, man, and put that backwards.
I got in okay condition. I'm actually going to pop up a video of what it originally looked like. You're not going to be able to see much of a difference, but the keys were nasty. Also, this key right here, he put in upside down. Oh, why?
Yeah, he put this in upside down.
Here's the packaging. It literally looks crazy. There was a bunch of dirt around it, but I cleaned it up pretty well. And I mean, just like, listen. Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. All the keys actually work pretty well, and I'll be uploading some programming videos about it. We can do a little bit of programming right now and a little bit playing around with it. But yeah. So let's get started.
We're turning on this chest.
Also, a cool thing about the keyboard is you've probably seen with Model Fs, they have these little things that you can flick out the feet like that. It's on both sides.
Except, I don't really understand the point of the feet since the keyboard's already curved. So
yeah, I mean, it might be if you want like even more.
I mean, if your hands look like that, but.
Yeah. I also got a 37301 error, but when I flipped this key back around after the Wii Lover 64, put it in upside down. Also, it has the personal computer badge, which I think is very odd. Like, why does the keyboard have the personal computer?
Wouldn't it say personal keyboard?
Yeah, I know. Like, the IBM 5151 doesn't say that. It's confusing.
I would say personal keyboard.
Also, if you look at the difference between these two keyboards, you can see a big difference as the F1 keys on this side, are on this side instead of the top.
Yeah.
Which, I actually kind of like them better on the top, but... Oh, I'm sorry. But, I actually did a bunch of crazy stuff. But, I mean, I don't really know why we didn't stick with this, because the IBM PC really started a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
That's why we really have the keyboard layout we have right now. Hasn't evolved much lately.
Yeah, pretty much. Besides the Windows and, like, Mac key.
Yeah, well, I mean, like, we'd have to go on an even newer keyboard to see that type of stuff. Which... this actually sounds almost the same.
Yeah, we don't talk about what's going on right here. Just a lot of failures.
No. We don't talk about that. And so, Windows 2001, why don't you do some coding since I don't really know I don't really know much coding on the IBM. So take it away.
It's gonna be a while.
10 print. Wait.
Wish.
Oh my goodness. Do like hello YouTube.
Okay.
Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube.
Or do you want to? Let's do the one where it keeps going.
Oh yeah. Well, let's do this one then the one where it keeps going.
Yeah. Okay.
Mind you, this is some very simple code.
So please. Okay, then we'll hit F2. There we go.
You know, this is like mind-boggling stuff. Also, you know, do like print 2+4 and stuff like that.
Oh yeah. I always fail with the print. Okay, so 2.
Also, can we get that that live typing, because people love to make fun of how you type.
Okay.
Let's see if it works.
No, I printed 2+2.
It's just without the quotations.
Bah, yeah. Okay, there we go.
How did it know?
Yeah, like
this thing's smarter than me.
Okay, 2. Actually, no. 2 times. Take it in. Let's do.
Like 2 times, like.
Wait a second. No, I remember the multiplication button back in the 60s was like this.
Oh yeah.
Bah, yeah, it's that. Don't ask me why it's that.
Yeah, why is it that?
Nobody knows.
Alright, so like I guess hello YouTube. Again.
Yeah, I guess so. Do another hello YouTube.
Oh yeah, do it where like keeps on going. Print 10, go 220, run.
Guys, there's gonna be a lot of cuts in this one.
Son, why does close?
Go 220?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. My son kind of remembers some of it.
And the brightness down a little bit so you can see it better.
We're gonna try everything we can. Cat flies. Oh. Okay. Was it go 220? Is that what it was?
Maybe. Alright, well we can just watch your older video really quick.
Wow. Okay, so we figured it out. It's 10. Print. Hello, YouTube. You do this right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 20 go to 10.
20. Go to 10.
And then run.
There we go.
There it is. Hello YouTube many times.
And then to end it, it was, I think it was like shift F or something. Something shift.
Well, let's see. What did you say?
So yeah, there you go. Oh, shift scroll lock. That's what it was. No, control scroll lock. Yeah, control scroll lock.
And then control scroll lock breaks it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I guess that was a quick collab video with Windows 2001 over here.
We were trying to do something else.
We were trying to make a way bigger video, but it ended up not working out.
Yeah.
We'll probably actually do that video on a different day.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Also, make sure to go subscribe to Windows 2001 as well.
Go subscribe to Technology Creations as well.
All right, see you guys in another video. Peace.